We're making she crab soup, baby. First, we start with little onions, carrots, shallot, celery. Oh, just watch out, baby. Got some butter and some Creole seasoning, some salt and some peppers, some garlic. Oh yeah, making a roux in there, baby. Making a roux, baby. A little white wine. After the wine, some really good crushed tomatoes. Let that yumminess cook for a little bit. And put some whole milk in there. Now, it calls for heavy cream, but I'm trying to get some of the calories out of here, so I'm doing whole milk instead. I know, cheating it a little bit. Oh yeah, gotta dump that in there. And another one. Mix that in there, and that is a full pot of soup. And you serve that with a little dash of paprika on it. All right, Susie.
Okay.
Give it a shot. Tell me what that tastes like.
Ooh.
Hey, I know you hate that big chunk of crab in there, don't you?
Looks hot.
So do you.
So good.